From major infrastructure milestones and global climate conversations to technology-led transformation, urban mobility and planning and governance reviews, here's a comprehensive look at the key developments shaping Maharashtra this week. This is Maharashtra 360. A major logistics boost is now set to take shape at the Navi Mumbai International Airport. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis performed a groundbreaking for a new FedEx cargo hub, calling it as a key milestone for Maharashtra's logistics ecosystem. The facility that will strengthen Western India's cargo capacity, improve efficiency and reinforce global investor confidence. The 2,500 crore rupee project includes over $250 million from the FedEx for a fully automated 3 lakh square feet hub. It will start with 0.5 million metric tons capacity, expandable to 3.25 million tons, and will generate 6,000 plus jobs. The hub will enhance supply chain efficiency and global connectivity. Mumbai hosted its first Climate Week, with Chief Minister Fadnavis inaugurating the 3-day global meet focused on turning climate dialogue into action. Experts from across different levels discussed sustainable solutions for the global south.
Just few days ago, it has been reported that India added additional 55 gigawatts to its 552 gigawatt installed capacity in just 1 year, the fastest ever, and this has been led by 75% renewable sources, and I'm proud to say most of this has come from the state of Maharashtra.
At the India AI Impact Summit 2026 in New Delhi, Maharashtra strengthened its global AI engagements. As Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis met with the Google DeepMind co-founder and CEO Demis Hassabis and also Meta Chief AI Officer Alexander Wong to boost AI infrastructure and investment. He also discussed digital security with the ethical AI with UK Minister Kanishka Narayan and governance collaboration also with Sweden's Ebba Busch and also John Thesleff. Now, the state has showcased its AI-driven agriculture model, releasing an agriculture compendium featuring 26 case studies from Maharashtra AI and Agritech Innovation Center. Over 22 lakh farmers use this Mahavistar platform, whose voice-first Marathi interface supports rural women. Vasudha and Neopark tools deliver up to 90% accurate soil testing, while SatSource-enabled digital credit has helped 40,000 farmers access 1,700 million rupees in loans. Now, officials reported that 20 to 32% productivity gains, with global experts praising Maharashtra's climate-resilient satellite-backed digital public infrastructure approach. Deputy CM Eknath Shinde has approved 48,000 crore rupees surplus MMRDA budget, the first in 9 years. About 75% will fund metro expansion, flyovers, roads, tunnels and bypasses to ease congestion. He has also stressed water planning through Washir and Shilar dams, and along with the focus on environment and jobs. The 337-kilometer combined mobility plan includes 13,838 crore rupees for metro expansion, along with port taxis, boat taxis and seamless multi-modal connectivity. Double-decker flyovers and underground corridors are also part of the roadmap. Following the recent accidents, structural safety audits have been also ordered, while slum rehabilitation will be pushed, including 17,000 houses at the Ramabai Ambedkar Nagar. Deputy CM and Minority Welfare Minister Sunetra Pawar had reviewed the Minorities Welfare Department, reaffirming commitment to social, economic and cultural upliftment. Pawar emphasized effective rollout of scholarship schemes, hostels and loan programs, including Maulana Azad Economic Development Corporation loans, enhanced from 5 lakhs to 20 lakh rupees. She's directed urgent filling of 179 Waqf Board posts, 25 tribunal posts and 10 Hajj committee posts. Planning for the 350th Guru Tegh Bahadur Shahidi Samagam at Kharghar is also set to be fast track with full administrative approvals. Hindi Chadar, this is a timeless legacy of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji, whose supreme sacrifice for religious freedom, tolerance and humanity remains a guiding light. Marking his 350th Shahidi Samagam in Maharashtra, that has now resolved to carry his teachings to every section of society under the leadership of Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. The main commemorative ceremony will be held on the 28th of February and the 1st of March, with Prime Minister Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah expected to attend. And those were all of the updates we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.